Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Baking soda is the leavening agent of choice in quick breads like banana bread, but you can also use other leavening agents, such as baking powder or yeast. A couple other common baking ingredients can help you make moist and delicious banana bread without baking soda and without a trip to the store.
Make your mark, take our lead.
What happens if you don't put baking soda in banana bread? Baking soda is a leavening agent that causes the dough to double in size and gives it a soft and fluffy texture. When you omit it from your banana bread recipe, you end up with dense bread.
Let's help you make your mark.
Here are 4 clever substitutes for baking soda. Baking powder. Like baking soda, baking powder is an ingredient frequently used in baking to promote rise, or leavening, of the final product. Potassium bicarbonate and salt. Baker's ammonia. Self-rising flour.
Make your mark, take our lead.
You are making banana bread with no baking soda or baking powder for leavening agents. You compensate for that omission by fully creaming the butter and sugar. Cook for the entire time so that the bread is fully cooked. The center will fall and be doughy if it isn't cooked through.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.